IIT Guwahati has released a master's program under Department of Liberal Arts. Now, this program would have its own entrance examination, and to prepare for this entrance examination, based on the syllabus defined by IIT Guwahati, here is the list of topics that you have to cover. So, the first section is basically the quant and the reasoning section, followed by Indian polity, the sections on Indian polity, public policy, economic analysis, and governance. And for each of the questions, each of the topics, you would have long answers and questions would be there. So here we have sample MCQs which are there, and then if you proceed further, you would see the kind of questions which are there for long answers as well. So for each of these sections, if you go, you would find the questions related to long answer, which is the descriptive question, as well as the questions which pertain to the long answers, right? So the questions here, for example, are the questions which are for long answer analysis. So how you have to write your descriptive answers and the details related to that would be available. So prepare well, the exam is coming shortly. If you have any questions or doubts, feel free to connect back to us. Thanks for joining in today.